Why does my face always look so dark and dull by the end of the day? Why does my face always look so grey? Guys, by the end of this video, you'll be able to know which foundation color you'll be able to know. Mack Twins channel. So let's get right into it. So the reason why you guys are having all these foundation problems, me myself, I'm sure she does too, is because you're choosing the wrong foundation. Choosing the wrong foundation, choosing the wrong color as well. There's not a one size fits all for everybody. Alright, so we are going to take you through a step-by-step guide on how to go about choosing the right shade for your skin tone. And in this video, first of all, we are going to find out what your foundation color is. Then we're going to find out and identify your skin undertone. Then we're going to do swatches, how to find your foundation color using various swatches. And then at the end, the last fourth guide is we are going to see what type of foundation color you should choose when it comes to different seasons. Because there's actually two foundations, one for summer and one for winter. Okay, so step one, guys, is how to find your perfect skin color. So remember, there are three different shades. There's your light, your medium, and your dark. Light would be for more of your Caucasian type of skin tone. Medium would be our type of skin tone. And then your deep would be colors way darker than our skin tone. And that would be your deep. With your medium skin tones, you get various subdivisions. You'll get like tan, you get beige, you get honey. Yeah, our color skin tones tend to change quite a bit throughout the season as well. So we have a nice identifying chart over here. You can identify what type of color skin tone you are. So number two, skin undertones. So skin undertone is basically the undertone that actually comes out from under the skin, and that's what you see on the surface of your skin. You get three types of undertones. You get warm, you get neutral, and you get cool. So the way to test what, or the way to actually see what undertone you are, there's two tests. You get the wrist test and you get the sun test. So with the wrist test, with the wrist test, it's like a tongue twister. It is a tongue twister. With a wrist test, when you look at your veins on your wrist, so you'll see some of you guys can see your veins is very prominent. Some it's gonna be a little bit difficult. I think if you can't find it on your wrist, even the crevice of your elbow, would be just check. Yeah, over there. So if your veins are either purple or if they are blue, then you are cool undertone. If your veins are like a greenish, olivish color, then you are warm tone. But if you can't see what color your veins are, then you're a neutral tone. So I've got green veins, so I'm warm undertone. Yeah, so you're warm undertone. Okay. Right. Then you also get the sun test. So with the sun test, if you stand out in the sun, I wouldn't advise you to do this, but don't try this at home. If you are going out into the sun, SPF, please guys, so that you can sun really right here. So if you go out in the sun and you tend to burn and you turn red, you'll know that you have more of a cool undertone. But if you go out into the sun and get a little bit crispy, but you tan, you have a lovely tan, you're warm undertone. Right. So hope that one helped. So test these out, guys, and let us know what tone you are over here. We'll show you this chart. This chart over here. So let us know what undertone you are. Okay, so step 3 is doing the swatching. So guys, what happened is I found my skin color. So there was a chart that we showed you guys, this chart over here. And my color was warm honey. That's what I identified my skin color as. But then, just reaffirm, I went and checked at my veins, and my vein color was green, which means I have more of a warm undertone. Okay, so I've got a warm undertone, but now I've narrowed down what my skin color and skin undertone is. Now I can actually go to the shop, feel a little bit more confident, and basically just choose a few foundation shades. But what you can do is you can actually swatch 3 shades, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna swatch them on your jawline. So Shanae's gonna just do a few swatches, and then you guys will be able to see which one blends in better with my skin. Yeah. But also, just a heads up, your makeup artist should know or will know what undertone you are, but that's why there's like trial and error on your skin, and they'll do swatches on your face. But if you know kind of more or less what undertone you are, it will help them. Then you'll know, especially with those. It will help them like get your skin shade much quicker. Yeah, especially with those stands that don't have makeup artists, and you can start swatching on your own. Yeah, so if you want to do it on your own, you can. So my first swatch is NW30. NW30. So long way. Okay, so first swatch, you just want to leave a bit of a space in between before you do the next swatch as well. Oh, that's the cream foundation, eh? Okay, so you guys can actually see which one blends in. It's like almost just in, like, really just blends into my skin effortlessly. Yeah, so you'll see that it blends in perfectly with my skin. Another tip, when you guys go into a retail store and you're actually doing a foundation swatches, ask your makeup artist if you can't just step outside for a while and then let them hand you a mirror, and then you can actually see how it looks in the daylight, because you doing your makeup in store is how it looks in store is going to look very different. The lighting in store, yeah. The lighting in store tends to be a little bit like sometimes darker, or the light is like a blue light. So I think just to get the most accurate foundation color for your skin tone, go outside. Or if you don't have time and you're gonna grab a foundation quickly, ask the makeup artist to give you a little bit of a sample, and then you can still buy the foundation, but when you get home, use the sample, and then go out with the foundation. If it matches your skin tone, perfect, keep the foundation. If not, come back with the bottle and just return or swap it out for something that would match your skin tone. Yeah, right. So let's do this third swatch. Okay, that's the third one, guys. So comment down below. Let me know. What do you guys think? Yeah, what do you guys think? Which one matches my skin? Which one is the best fit? Perfectly. Right. So by the looks of it, you guys all see that it is going to be the middle one. Okay, so then you can just like remove all the other ones on the side, and then you can start blending in your neck to see if it's gonna actually blend it. The face and the neck would actually match. Yeah. Okay. A nice step with foundation is when you do put on foundation, don't just keep it to your face, because sometimes you can't get a foundation that's going to match your face and your neck. So what you can do is bring your foundation all the way a little bit down into the neck and kind of blend it in to the neck, because the neck tends to be a little bit lighter than the face. Or darker. Sometimes it is darker. With like I know some women when we were working had pigmentation. Yeah, so sometimes their face is really light and then it's like super dark in the neck. Yeah, or the face was dark and then the neck was light. Yeah, so just watch for that as well. What you can do is if you're gonna blend in your foundation from your face to your neck, and your neck seems to be a bit more light or goes grey in color, you can actually use a bronzer just to bronze it out. Yeah. Okay, that's a good trick. So yeah, guys, that is your swatching. Alright, so now we're going to talk about how to make your foundation season proof. What we normally do, and I think a lot of makeup artists do, especially if you live in a country that's, you've got extreme summers and then extreme winters, we would have 2 foundation shades. 2 foundation shades. So for me, for example, in the summer I'm an NC42. It's a MAC foundation Studio Fix, and then in winter I'm 2 shades lighter, so I'm NC40. So always check if your colors during the 2 seasons change, because I've seen that it does, and I actually need 2 foundations. And the way you'll notice that is, like, if you're gonna put a foundation on your skin and your skin looks gray, foundation's too light for you. And if your skin is looking dark, obviously means the foundation color it's basically too dark for you. So please always watch out for that when it comes to choosing the perfect foundation. Or even if you put a cool undertone on your skin, it's gonna be red. It's gonna look a little like red on you. Yeah, so just keep a lookout for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. In the next video, we are going to be talking about different foundation applications and the type of coverage you can get from using the different applications. And if you guys like this video, please leave us a comment down below and let us know if you found this video useful and educational. Also, share this video with somebody you think would really find it useful. Then please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and you guys can follow us on Instagram at Mack Twins Makeup, on Facebook as well, and on TikTok. We will leave all the socials either in the description or in the video. Okay, but thank you guys so much for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.